Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome to our monthly YouTube hop. We are sharing the April products. Along the way, you're going to see products from the box of the month, the stamp and die of the month, and the paper pad club of the month. I'm sharing the paper pad club of the month and the stamp of the month. I'm going to create 2 cards, one from each collection, so I hope you stick around. One winner is going to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. I'll have a link in my description box where you can enter into the giveaway. Don't forget to leave a comment and lots of love along the way. Let's take a look at this beautiful coffee paper pad called Life Begins After Coffee. Got beautiful browns and beiges. Lovely patterns. A pop of red. Very, very cute. I love the scale of the images, and there's also black and white. And then a tone on tone in beige. And this one has a little pop of pink with that pretty flower in the background. Really, really cute paper pad. Love the coffee beans. So cute. You get 4 of each design. And there's an option to add on coordinating ephemera to your paper pad club. This month, your ephemera will match the Life Begins After Coffee. This is also on the site available. For purchase, and this is called Never Say No to Coffee. I'm going to lay these all out for you and take a photo. Did want to show you this large cup that you can do maybe a shape card with. You can write a note on the back. This could be a big tag. Just use your imagination. You can also color these images. They are colored minimally, so you can go ahead and try to color these up with any medium of your choice. Or just use the images as is. Really, really fun. I'll show you a photo of Julie. She actually colored this image in and made a really, really beautiful card. Let's take a look at the stamp set Cup of Thanks. Words can't espresso how much you mean to me. You are my cup of tea, cup of thanks. You're my favorite human being. So really fun sentiment with all these coffee images. Your next paper pad is called Flowery Meadow. Really pretty. I love this green and purple. It's gorgeous. So I'll flip through this really quickly. Gorgeous. We've got images in here that you can cut out and make your own ephemera. There's 4 sheets of that, so plenty to make a bunch of cards. I went ahead and cut out my images, so we'll be making a card with these. Here are the colors that coordinate with the Paper Pad Club this month. For our mini paper doilies from Doodlebug, these are in the shop. This is the Limeade color. We've got the Bonbon color, goes really nicely. And this purple here is perfect. This is the Lilac. We've got the Beetle Black and the Lily White. Here are the 3 sheets I picked out for my card. We're going to work with the Flowery Meadow first. I have my basic A2 size card base here. I want to use this one for our backdrop, so I'm going to cut that one down to 5 1/4 by 4. Okay, let's put that down. We're going to have a little border going around the card. Little strip of this going down the side of my card. So let's just do a 1 inch. We'll add that to the side of the card. We'll use a little peel off strip to divide that. And then this little stripe here, I want to put down, let's see, let's do a little strip going across. So I cut this one down 3 inches by 2 inches. We're going to have it right about there. And now I'm going to cut out a little scallop circle and a white circle. Okay, so the purple glitter is perfect for a little scallop around my circle. I'm going to add a gold strip down the middle. I'm going to use the sentiment from the Hang In There stamp set from our box of the month, Thinking of You. I'll put that right there. Okay, so let's glue in our flower. Okay, and then we'll just pop up that cute little deer. No, actually, I'm going to lay this one flat down. All right, so that completes the first card. Turned out really, really sweet. I'm going to use my Lindy Stamp Gain sprays. This one's Moon Shadow Mist, to create a little background for the sentiment. And then I'm also going to use, this one is called Golden Doubloons, and this one is Jolly Roger Red, even though it doesn't look very red to me. But this one's like a gold, so I'm going to put some stronger splatters. And we'll let that dry. I'm going to add a little vintage photo, darken this up just a little bit. And then also some tea dye. Now I'm going to mix a little bit of white gouache with some water. I'm going to flick on some white paint. Okay, I'm going to let that dry. It's drying. Let's put together the card. This panel here is from the Easy Wonder Die #1. We're going to have a doodlebug doily behind our circle. So I want to just peek it out a little bit like that on the side. So I'll put it off center. Okay, so this is how it turned out. Let's go ahead and glue that down. Okay, so I'm going to glue down my images.
And then we're going to pop this one up right in the center. I hope you guys enjoy the hop. Check out all the designers on this hop. Don't forget to enter into the giveaway. Once you've completed the hop, there'll be a Rafflecopter link in the description box of the videos. You can enter into the giveaway for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. I will announce the winner in 1 week on my community tab here on YouTube. And I just want to make sure I get that center and straight. All right, so there's the second card. Don't forget about our coffee and cream sparkling enamel dots. They go great with this paper collection. So I'm going to add a few of those onto my card here. Let's take a closer look at card number 1. We've got that cute deer thinking, and the sentiment, thinking of you, is perfect. So pretty. And then coffee is the best medicine. So hopefully it is, because I'm a little under the weather, and I hope that's true because I've been drinking some coffee, but mostly tea. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!